Got a lot to do.
Alright, hello everybody, my name is Donutboy here. So, yeah, I'm gonna be uploading this by tomorrow. We're gonna hike up to the Hollywood sign because we're about to do it with my mom over here, and of course and stuff. It is gonna be a long trip. It's gonna be a long hike up there, but we're gonna do it anyways because why not?
Why not? And what can you expect?
Yeah, what can I expect? Of course. Alright, here we go here, Ruth.
Rename your channel, Donutboy. What can I expect?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna change it. No, no thanks. I'm good. Yeah. Now we're just moving on. Got my hiking. I also got my hiking boots here. Also, sorry about that. We're gonna have a long walk all the way to the Hollywood sign. I think I already said that. I feel kind of sticky. Actually, no. Sun lotion does get me sticky a lot. That's the thing. That is the thing, though. But over here, just walking over here. Oh. Well, holy shit then. Yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow we're leaving, and it's gonna be very long. It's gonna be a long trip to home. 8 hours of a trip. It might be a 60-mile walk, but you know, what can we possibly take it for? Leaves. Just leaves. There's people walking up there. I can tell by people walking up there. Well, because how normal it is. Definitely normal. Okay, well, all right. Well, then there you have it. Rocks and stuff and other shit and stuff. Huh. Oh boy. Oh. Holy cannoli. Holy shilloli. Shilloli. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're just walking up here. You might have just saw the beginning of us, you know, just possibly doing stuff, packing up stuff, and you know, that other shit. Yeah. And now we're walking up the hill. Just walking up. Look at the mountains up there. That looks nice.
We're going straight ahead.
Hollywood sign. 1.9 miles. Well, at least for now. Yeah, I mean, it ain't that bad, but we're just gonna walk up there anyways. Oh my god, just gonna be walking over here and stuff. I wonder why I should say and stuff. Yeah, to give a little extra spice, a little extra quality in it. I don't know why I did that. Oh my god. And here we go. And of course, here we go. Might take some breaks, and you know.
Water for me?
All right.
Thank you.
Where's? I see my water. I'm gonna probably drink my water. Gonna probably just drink my water, of course. Holy shit! There's a lot of people walking around here. A lot of people. I'm just gonna be walking. Now I'm just suddenly, all of a sudden, now I'm starting to walk with my water bottle, of course. Bush, let's see the map. Let me see the map.
Hang on, watch out. Let me get a picture.
My friends were like,
Yeah, we don't want to get ourselves lost.
We're going.
We are
So,
here.
We'll take the easier one. We'll do the 1.9 Hollywood Trail, okay?
Yeah, Hollywood show. Where would that be at?
I don't know. We'll see it when it says Hollywood Trail. Come on.
Yeah, we probably already know what to, probably already know, of course. We don't want to get ourselves lost. God, it's gonna be a long day, ain't it? Yep, this is gonna be taking me to Hollywood. Going to the Hollywood sign. It's too late, we already walked through here, so there's no going back.
Well, there is going back. We're not that far, but we're not gonna go.
Yeah, we're not that far. We're not that far.
that's what we're trying to figure out. I think it takes you to like the front of it, and I think there's a separate trail to the back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like if you want to walk further to the letters, I think you can.
Okay. Oh, so it's how far from the front, do you know?
It's like 1 point. I think it's.
No, I
it
mean
says
like
on there.
how close to the front of the sign are you when you get up that trail?
Oh, I have no idea. This is our first time here.
Us too. So.
So yeah, we're both first here.
Yeah, we're from New York. Where are you guys from?
Well, we moved from Philadelphia last year to Arizona, so.
Oh wow.
But I was in Philadelphia our whole life, so.
Yeah.
New York, well,
Philadelphia
we
was
used
a
to go to the Catskills
torture.
all the time. Love the Catskills.
We're from like around Buffalo.
Oh, really? Okay. Nice.
Philadelphia was torture. literally it was.
Well, I used to live right near the city, near Center City, and this is just way too remnant of the traffic. Now I'm living in a nice rural area. I
that's
love it.
nice.
There's no traffic, not a lot of people.
That's what
So
that's
here's been
nice.
very. I
Oh,
love
God.
being here, but it's really stressful trying to get anywhere.
Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah. Yeah.
It's oh, the dog.
Come on, Jacob. Have a nice hike.
All right, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Oh my God, it's gonna be very stressful. You know, it is. It's gonna be real. It's gonna be really.
This is the kind of stress I enjoy though, hiking.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. At least it's gonna be for now. We're gonna go up here and go up there while people is gonna be walking behind there. Get a bouncy bag on my back. Well, I've got bouncy water, of course. Oh God, bouncy water. I don't know. Oh God, going up the hill. Going up the hill. Oh God, I hate the part when we go up the hill. I hate it so much. It hurts my legs. Yeah, but yeah, because that, you know. Holy shit, this looks amazing. Wow. Oh my God. Might take us a few minutes, you know. It's gonna take us 20 minutes. An hour. An hour of walking, well. And then we have to do an hour back. Oh God. This is exercise right over here. Oh my God. 1 hour of walking and torture. That's totally wonderful.
Guys, in order to get the beautiful game,
Dad and Penny was a bench. Yeah. There was a bench, you know. Oh.
when we see a rock under the tree, we'll take a break, okay?
That's a rock, but I might not sit on that. I need to find one under the shade. Holy cannoli. I'm already sweating. Already sweating, you know. Oh God. Looking back in this footage makes me feel, it's gonna make me feel, you know. Oh God, after this. Oh God, it's the dog again. It is the dog again. Oh my God. Ah. Do you need a break, Mom? Oh, the dog needs to take a piss.
There you go. Sit on the other edge of the road.
Oh God.
Go ahead. We'll take a quick break.
Take a quick break. Holy moly. How do you feel so far?
I'm tired. It was a rough morning. I didn't get to eat as much breakfast as I wanted to.
Now how do you feel hiking?
I'm starting to feel better.
I just feel sweaty, that's it.
Yeah, well,
Hmm.
it's part of getting this kind of exercise.
Yep, it is. This is just beautiful over here. This is unique. Like I always say, this is very, this is very, and indeed very. I still have that aftertaste of that you know, that sandwich I had this morning. Yes. God. That's a helicopter, of course. Oh my God. Someone just makes a trail of this. Oh God, I wonder what was it like before. Well, actually, no, I think somebody decided to make a trail like this. Holy God. I feel better under the shade. Once we get this sunlight. Oh God. Going more up the hill. Damn, it's like taking a long, big trip down up here. Oh, damn then. God damn. Just holy shit. Well then. Oh God. Oh God. My bag doesn't come off. Oh God, why? Oh God, going up the hill. Oh God, this part.
I wish I had my mountain bike.
Is this painful, Mom?
It is.
Now we're getting a bit more farther. Damn. Oh my God. Oh my God, I wonder how much we're gonna go up here. Should have just wore. Man, I wonder how much we're gonna take of this. Oh my God. Everyone's. Yeah, there's times where you're gonna take off your shirt and just use it for the trip.
Sunburn.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get sunburned no matter what.
It's on the edge right there.
Oh, this is very stressful.
That's good.
Oh my God.
It's about time you encounter some stress.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Catch your breath. And then we'll up.
Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God. What can you expect? Oh no, I'm sorry.
Okay, you ready?
No. Already a few minutes in and I'm already. There it is. The Hollywood sign. Probably if we can get it, if we'll be able to get to that. If I can be able to go up go all the way up to the Hollywood sign. This is... There's the Hollywood sign up there. God damn. All right. Some of the people are just fine. They're just fine where they're going. For me, I'm just now. Yeah, I guess so. Oh my god. I'm gonna go all the way up the hill. But then after that, we're gonna go all the way down the hill. I remember the time when I had to do that. Ugh. That was Arizona times. Yeah. I gotta drink a lot of water. My water's getting hot. God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God damn. This is even real life? No. No, I'm not even gonna ask that. Yes, this is real life. This is real life. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh God. This is painful. This is really painful. God.
How you doing?
You haven't even started.
I know. I wish you didn't tell me that though.
Lots of water.
I'm used to doing.
Going down, my foot pushing on the front.
Oh yeah, it's hard. It's easy to go down, but it's harder to keep your grip.
Yeah, it is.
Keep on the front harder. Maybe I need to buy a thicker sock or something.
You just need some thick, nice hiking.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Oh, it's worth it.
See, it's worth it.
It is worth it. I'm drinking lots of water. Oh my God. Drinking lots of water. That's. If you drink lots of water, you'll feel much better. See, I'm feeling much better now.
That's good. You have to because you get dehydrated.
How do you feel much better?
All right.
How do you feel right now?
Good. 10 more seconds.
I feel better.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You said we only just begun. I was like, I wish you didn't tell me that.
We've just begun and we're already sweating.
At least most of the trails in the past feel like gradual.
Oh my God.
Ooh, this is like
I know.
straight up. All right, come on.
This hurts. This is pain. This is pain right now. Oh my God. Oh God. Once we go down, we're gonna feel much better. We go down the hill. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I don't feel like running. Oh my God, it's gonna. Well, damn then. I can't tell if we're going up still. Oh, we're going up still. Oh my God. The beginning part. I'm really slowing down.
Get to the second set of rocks. Take another break.
Oh, really? Already?
Yeah, this was a pretty steep incline.
Where? We haven't gone 5 minutes in. 3 minutes in.
Let's go to the next one for his shade.
I mean, that is a good idea. That is, I guess we're just ugh. Oh my god. This hurt. Oh my god. Painful, ain't it? Oh my god. Oh, for God's sake.
We've got
We've
on 0.73, which is 3/4 of a mile.
3/4 of a mile.
Yes.
Oh God, excuse me, that was disgusting.
Quarter mile. So we have.
We even gone up not even a mile.
So
Almost.
we got like another half mile to go. But it's also, the mile is rougher because we're going all uphill.
But once we go to 1.9 mile, we'll probably be up there.
Yes.
Oh my God. That's another 0.9. That's another for 1 mile in. That's another 0.9 miles. Oh my God.
They sleep peacefully. No one to be stressing people out. All right, you ready?
Oh God.
Come on, we
Yeah.
can do this. Come on, you got
Oh my God. The stress in me is killing me. Literally. I'm getting. Oh my God. Everything. We got this and that. We got everything. We have to deal with 5 different ways to get myself all painful and stuff and get myself all hurt.
You can have a drink.
Oh, God damn. Ugh. God. Oh God. I feel red as hell, man. I think it's much heavier with your bag.
I've got my camera and all that stuff.
And I'm still sweaty. Oh God. God's sake. God, why do I keep hitting myself? Gotta keep hitting myself with a water. My God, I can't believe how much times I'm gonna hit myself with a water bottle. There's more people. I guess they went up. Most of them are going up. I mean, going down. But we're going up. We just started.
We're just gonna take breaks. That's how we get through this.
We're going up every minute. Every minute. Oh my God.
Oh, see in the shade.
Oh, I feel much better in the shade. Oh, damn. Damn. God damn this. I love it and hate it at the same time.
Yeah, that's what a hike like this is. Well,
Oh God. This feels worse than, you know, the other hikes I've been going on. Man. And there's dogs over here. Please help us, dogs.
you could ride a dog up
Please,
there.
please help me now. Please help me now.
Still going?
Yeah, it hurts like hell. So even the dog hates it.
Oh, much more incline?
You got a long way to go.
Incline wise or just?
Yeah, incline wise, you got a while
Oh,
to go.
It's not that bad incline-wise.
Incline wise, like
It's
once
only
you.
like a mile from the bottom to the top,
And then-
incline-wise, and then pretty much.
oh my
So when you get up here,
God. Oh God.
incline is up here.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
You want to go up to the back of the sign to get the really good view, or the front of the sign.
Okay, thank you.
Oh no. Oh no. Just no. Just no. Oh.
Stay this way until you get up there. This is gonna be steepest. But all the way up
steepest. Oh,
And then on the way down, it's a lot.
God. Oh God, please help me.
Take another drink. You don't want to get dehydrated.
Please help me. I'm running out of water.
I got more. Just don't drink it all at once. You got to ration it a little bit at a time. Okay?
Yes, I know. Gonna get a lot of water in me. Of course. Oh, there's a helicopter coming. Oh my God. Please save us, helicopter. Please save us. Please. Ah, please, helicopter. Please. Oh God. Hello. Hi. How you doing?
I need him too, bud.
I need more water. That's what I need.
Alright, I'll give you some more. Just give me a second.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Oh my God.
Hey, where you at? 10. We got 0.10 to go to make a mile, which isn't that far. We're getting close.
Not even 1 mile. Oh yeah. I'll feel better once it goes down.
Yeah, going down, it's the only thing about going down is you gotta be careful because you have to be careful with the grip. It's easier going down on your body, but you have to watch your feet because you can go flying.
And then I would be dead.
Well, you won't be dead, but you'd be in a lot of pain.
I would go on, but the thing is I might go on the side. Oh my God, I wish we can go down. I wish. I'm really concerned of what's gonna happen real soon. I'm really concerned about what's gonna happen once we go to the pot. Once we go to, like, you know, we go more. God.
Crap, I thought I brought the other one.
Oh shit. No. Well, I guess time for me to be in pain.
No, you're fine. We're gonna share. We'll share this one here. You take the rest of this. Okay. Drink it. Ration it.
Okay. You got your.
I got another one that we'll make it through. Okay. We run out of water, then we gotta go back down. No matter how you slice it.
We can't go to the Hollywood sign.
If we don't have enough water, we have to have water. And unfortunately, I thought I had one more bottle. Don't drink it all. You have to ration it. A little bit at a time. That's it. That's it. You had enough. Put the kit lid.
I know. I'm just really in pain, Mom. I'm really in pain.
You hold it.
We can make it. We can make it, Mom.
Right, we can make it. The problem is this has to last you till we get to the top, which means, look.
Can I really do it?
I'm asking you if you can do it. If you can't do it, then we'll go back.
No, I can't. I
So you want to go back?
If it's possible, if I'm really getting sick and tired, then we really need to go down.
Right. Well, you gotta make a decision soon, okay?
You guys dying too?
Yeah, I was just
We're
asking
dying.
him if he's oh
God.
I thought
Are
he brought enough water. I can only have one more bottle.
Are you guys gonna make it?
I don't know.
I have.
I hope so.
The thing is that I don't feel like we're gonna make it.
The thing is, I'm just worried about water, so you have to ration that. We have one more bottle. I thought I brought one more bottle.
If we make it to the Hollywood sign, then we're a champion.
I just have a heart condition, so I have to go slow.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm not happy at all right now.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, the more we go up here, the more, worse it's gonna get. I just have a feeling. We have to go in a. Gotta watch out for the grip, though. You know what's gonna happen when we get to the grip. Hello, we're back. Right now we can see the city over there. It looks beautiful, and I feel kind of fine. I feel kind of better than I usually was, but we're getting a little closer. There's the pathway that we were before, and I looked down. It looked faster. I mean, fuck it. I'm running all the way to the bench. please help me bench. Please. Oh my god. Oh god, we're getting closer. It's a little closer. We have to go to the other side. And there's people going down there. And there's the pathway. We have to go all the way up here. Go up here. Go up there.
It's gonna take a long break. Like 10 minutes.
It hurt.
The rest is fairly flat.
We can make it. We can. It's okay.
Holy crap.
That was torture.
Oh.
That was. Now after that, that was a big steps we've gone. That was a big walk we've gone to. It was big, and I mean very big.
Together.
You can totally understand
I've
why.
done way more than these, but it's the biggest one I've done with you.
So much people walking up here. And the water bottle fell. Is there any more? Oh, there's more water.
Yeah, but there's one bottle, so finish that sip.
God.
That's it.
I will.
This has got to get us the rest of the way and down. And I
God, you can't believe. God, I can't believe how much of a pain this is.
Yeah.
God. Yep, there goes that water bottle again.
Smash it.
Oh God. God, I need that.
I didn't drink any on the way up, so one sip from here. We need that all to get all the way.
Yes, because we need that. We really need that.
And all the way down.
We really need it, of course.
We do. No joke.
No joke. Oh God.
You gotta get it
Oh God. Oh God. Just imagine.
all the way down.
Yeah. It was pain. Still pain.
It is. Oh wait, no. Take a sip.
No.
Take it
Hold
back
on.
to me.
Hold on.
Right,
No.
right.
I didn't take a sip.
Take a sip. Just a sip. That's a big sip. Hey. You gotta save this, I'm telling you. If you had more, I'd say drink as much as you like.
I'm feeling. There you go. Oh my God. Well, time to go up more steps, I guess. Oh, goodness gravy. Hello again. We've gone up so many miles. I know we've gone up a lot of miles that I'm starting to get all exhausted all of a sudden. But we're getting close to the sign, which is amazing. And
We're next to it. It's like right there. Just we can't see it until.
we're next to it. We are next. We are next to the sign. And you know, because, and then after this we're gonna go back. We're after this. We have to go back down. You have to go back down. Go back down a mile.
Actually, more like 3 miles.
More like 3 miles. Whoa, damn. It feels like 3 miles. How many miles did it felt like?
It's gonna be 3 miles that we did total to go up. It's gonna be 3 miles that we did total to go down around.
Yep, that's the total of painness we're gonna have to deal with.
6 miles is what it is.
I wonder how much time is like. No, I'm sorry. I can't. I just can't. I can't. I really can't. Just please. Yeah, I really can't. I really can't. Oh God, I really can't. I can't. Oh my God. Still walking in torture right now. Oh God. We're still walking in torture. Yeah, sorry about that. About that. So apparently, you know, we have to deal with this shit, and we're almost there. We're close. We're about to be close right now. And we're now in a neighborhood. we've stopped at a neighborhood. We stop at a neighborhood somewhere. Oh my God, what is this? Wait. The sign is right there. Holy God, we got a close look at this. What's this? Oh, it's a place for us to relax. Oh no, no.
That's not for us, buddy. I wish it was.
No.
Oh, wait. Is it?
Oh no.
What is that?
I think they went on. It's on the. I think it's on the other side. I think. Is it? Oh my God.
I don't know. Are we allowed in here?
Are we? I don't even know. I don't even know.
Wait.
People are passing through here.
This is like a park.
Yeah, we could go through here.
I just want to see if there's a watering station.
First, I need to sit. Oh God. Ah, thank God.
For the picture is this way, right?
Yeah, it's right up there. You'll see it when you walk out here.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Can't believe someone lives up here.
Thank
Ah, damn, someone actually lives up here. Damn, can't believe they actually do. Oh my God. Hello.
for the picture. I think one of them is up here and one of them is right here.
Hello, everybody. We made it to the Hollywood sign. Yay! It was a big torture. It was hell. We had to go all the way up through here to just get to here, and we made it to the. Oh God. Oh God. We made it to the Hollywood sign, of course, and yeah, that's finally, my God. We had to deal with tortures of pain, excuse me. God damn, deal with tortures of pain. Oh.
Do you guys know where the other spot is where there's like, let me see if I can find
To go behind it?
the one where you just have like the Hollywood sign behind it, because this is one spot, but there's another spot.
There's another longer hike that takes you behind it, but I don't know.
No, not behind it.
Oh. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
It's not possible.
No, it's possible. I just don't want to do it.
Safe. Safe. If we could actually make, can we do one?
Do one what?
Picture.
Of course, just give me a second to breathe. I was hoping there'd be a bench up here. No such luck.
Are you actually gonna do it, go up here, or just go back down?
Can you go up there?
I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Why is there a mask down there? Why is there a mask down there?
Oh yeah, that's a good one. I have no idea.
Oh God.
Maybe some other time. I don't know.
I can't do it. No, I can't do that. I cannot do that.
Here, Santa Frog, get you first.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you know what? This is all needs to be wiped. It's a mess.
Alright, oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. Here it is. Oh my God. We actually made it this far to the Hollywood sign.
Ready?
Alright.
That's better. Alright. Now put that down and the phone down.
Alright,
Take a picture together.
Alright, we're gonna do it. So, alright, we're gonna take a picture and then we're gonna go.
We're gonna go back down. So
Actually, I gotta take a picture on my phone. Alright, see ya. You can see this? Do you see this beautifulness? This is beautiful right here.
And we had barely enough water, so we have to go back down.
Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. This is.
That's good. I was gonna take my regular camera out, but I'm too tired and there's no bench up here.
And we're not gonna make it that far. People are not actually gonna make that far too.
All right, let's go. Come on.
This is so beautiful though. Oh.
Back though, bud. I'm tired, and we get so little water, and that's the hard thing.
Yep. And hope everybody has a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys all later. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. No.